You're a superhero.
So hey guys, this is Raghamshi and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to talk about five top 5 hidden apps in Play Store. So if you're not subscribed to our Bradbox channel, subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's get started. So guys, we'll show all apps in random order. So let's get started with our first app. The first app in our list is iPhone level launcher. So this is the best app for turning your Android into iPhone 11. So you can just use this app for launching your Android into iPhone. And here you can see, if you slide this side, here you can see notifications from this app. Set iPhone level launcher as default home for efficiency. And if you set this, you can face some problems with the operating system. Or you can see the next one, app lock, to protect your privacy. And you can also add app lock for apps. And for example, I'll show you here, some of the apps are not like iPhone, because file manager, notes, compass, the same as normal apps, but these apps are in Vivo, so that's why they could not change into iPhone 11 apps. And here you can see Play Store is changed into App Store icon. And here you can see, if you scroll down, here you can see you can also control the brightness and control the volume, but you have to give permissions for controlling this. And as it is, all options are as it is. But if you scroll here, this is a fake lock screen, and they just named the status bar as lock screen. So if you like this, see the description for link. Next app in our list is Rovers. Rovers is the best app for multitasking apps. You can set multitasking apps for like Instagram, WhatsApp, PixArt, or any apps you want, you can set here. Like same as this is a app same as slide bar. So some of the users asked to bring same app like slide bar, so that's why I brought like slide bar. And if you click on the on and off icon, disable and activated, so like this you can off and on. And next we have settings. In the settings, here you can see default application color. Here you can see, if I click on this Rovers, here you can see the background of apps background is black. And if I select another color, like I'll select it white, and the background is white, like this you can set. And default shortcut color, you can also change the shortcut color, or you can also change folder color. And you can also set the item size, so it's big, so I just want 80%. And here you can see orientation, sticky corner. If you click on sticky corner, here you can see top left, sticky corner, top left, or choose closest corner, or top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right. So sticky corner, which corner do you want to launch the Rovers? And here you can see, or add rover on edit mode only. And here you can see these are only on floating trigger. And here you can see mute Rovers click sound, you can also check this out. And next we have actions, and this is only for installing apps and some of the options. And if you like this, please also check the link in the description for this app. Here you can see many of the options, apps, shortcuts, actions, folders. So you can add apps, shortcuts, or anyone. So I just select this one and just add floating notes app to this. Here you can see floating notes has been added. So like this you can add shortcuts in this. Next app in our list is charging siren. This is the best app for charging siren. If you keep charging, then you can for example, I just connect to my charger and leave it when the device charged 100, then you forgot to switch off the switch of the charger. So like this you can face problems, and it will just charge up to morning, and you'll face some problems on your charging port. So that's why for this app is built for charging siren. And set an alarm, click on set an alarm after clicking on it, and after clicking on it again, here you can see go to the settings, click on that. After going into settings, here you can see set an alarm or off and on, and here you can see volume. You can change the volume and language and desired battery level, which for example, when your battery level is 100, charging siren will be on. And you can also select percentage of this charging, and these are some of the raters and share our app like this. So you can use it for charging siren and also a good look charging. Next app in our list is Floating Notes. Floating Notes is a best app for remembering things which you want to do. So for example, I just click on call carry. So I just noted it for simple thing. So for example, you can also choose icons for this and also change the color of these notes. So I just select this one and I just click do subscribe, and after that write. And after that, if you go back here, you can see a do subscribe note is noted here. So just slide it. After sliding it, you can see here icon, and when you're seeing movies or when you're doing anything, if you just click on this, what is this, if you click on this, you can remember that do subscribe, yes, I have wrote this and I have to do this thing. So like that you can remember your things with this floating notes. And if you want to edit this, click on the settings option, and here you can add a new notes, or you can visible or not visible, and you can also change the transparency, stick or not stick, like that you can change the settings. You can add multiple notes with this app, and this app is best for remembering things like going to market, bringing vegetables, or chatting with my friend, or like that you can make many of the notes and stick into your screen. So if you like this, just check it, the link in the description, and download it. Next app in our list is PicShot. PicShot is the best app for editing images. So guys, I have forgot one thing, that is, if you not saw our app series 2 videos, I'll give in the iCard videos links in the iCard, you can see from there. And let's start our PicShot app. So guys, after opening, here you can see like this interface, and here you can see ads, just skip it, and here you can see some of the editings, some of the members done this portrait, and this is a spiral, and this is a college. Like this you can edit your images. For editing, click on edit or spiral, drip, college, portrait. So just I click on spiral, and after clicking on spiral, I just click on gallery and select my images. After going into gallery, just select one of your image. I select this image, and after selecting any of your image, if you want to add, if this image is a PNG image, just go to background, and it's not PNG also, you can add background. I want to add nature, so I just click nature and add nature images. After this, if you want to blur background, so just click on blur and blur. And if you want to motion effect, you can also add motion effect and background and spiral. In spiral you can add many of the editing images like this. And if you want to add any frames like Instagram frame, so this app is being viral because this Instagram and camera pictures are being viral in Instagram and many of these apps. So try this app for editing images. This is the best app for editing images. So try this app, and without PicsArt you can edit images. Thanks for watching, and for this app link just see the description. All links of the all apps 5 apps in the description, see it.